Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you my favorite way of making banana bread. Let's get started by preheating our oven for 360 degree. All ingredients are displayed on your screen. So let's grab these all ingredients and we can start right away. So we got salt, baking powder, brown sugar, 2 eggs, plain flour, and room temperature butter, and we need oil spray, fork, spatula, knife, chopping board, and hand mixer. I'm getting 4 bananas. Mash your ripe banana with the fork, blend it all together. Combine plain flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder and salt. Beat 2 eggs. Now in a separate bowl, add soft butter and brown sugar. Mix them well. Add 2 beaten eggs. Combine them very well. After a few minutes, add mashed banana to those mixer. Mix them well. Add your flour mix into your banana mix. Mix just to moist. We don't want to overcook the flour. Lightly spray your tin with your oil spray. Pour the batter in your prepared loaf tin. Place the filled tin into preheated oven for 65 minutes. After 65 minutes, your banana bread is ready. Let the bread cool down in tin for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can pull out your bread and rest for at least half an hour. Now you can enjoy your banana bread at home. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in next video.